Here is a copy of the FIR. Appended to the notice. Have you not seen the circular pursuant to my order? Yes, Jagdish sir. Circular is not issued. 3112 circular is issued. How is this man acting contrary to the circular? It should be clear. Copy of the FIR should be appended to it. It should be furnished only by registered post acknowledgement due. That is the only way. Not even by WhatsApp. Where is it done? And then what is the mortal hurry? Because the YouTuber has projected somebody who is influential. What else can it be? Then what, sir? 10 ಮುಕ್ಕಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಪಿ ಆಫ್ ದಿ FIR ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Completely contrary to the circular.
Derogatory and
of whom, sir? Who has given the complaint? Who has given the complaint? Where is the complaint? On whose